Hey everybody, it is me, your favorite goofy blonde chef. At least I think I'm your favorite. I hope I'm your favorite. It's Saturday and it was really, really cold this morning. And I was in this mood for comfort food. Soup and a grilled cheese sandwich. And when you're trying to go vegan, you gotta be careful with your ingredients. So I want to show you, we made a split pea soup that is rich and hearty and even has some smoky, meaty flavor to it, but it's 100% vegan, and a vegan grilled cheese that is to die for. It's melty, it's so good. You're gonna love this, so hang on, and here we go. It's Vegan Comfort Food Day, and in order of appearance, here are the ingredients. Some organic olive oil, 1 clove of garlic sliced and 2 bay leaves, red pepper flakes, diced carrots, 2 cups of split peas, a vegan chicken flavored broth, and some vegan bacon. You can also use a vegan ham if you like. And for our lovely grilled cheese-ish, we're gonna do some sprouted bread, thinly sliced, no more than 70 calories a slice. This chow from Field Roast is excellent and makes a great grilled cheese sandwich, and some vegan butter. There you have it. And let's get started on our soup. Let's begin our soup. We've got some medium-high heat going. Let's start with some olive oil. Just a nice little swirl in the pan. And we're gonna add our 2 bay leaves and our sliced garlic until that starts to sizzle up a little bit. Okay, they're beginning to sizzle. I'm gonna add some red pepper flakes. That's a little bit of kick. And our vegan bacon. It's gonna add a nice smoky flavor, just like we did with our lentil soup, if you'll recall. That is just gorgeous. Now we're gonna flavor up our split peas before the broth goes in. Swirl that all around really nicely and let those flavors just mingle and merge. It's just gorgeous and already smells so good. And the next step is going to be to add our carrots. Just throw them on in. And again, let those flavors mix up. So beautiful. And now finally, we're going to add our broth. Put in the entire container. This is just going to cook and thicken up and be the comfort food we are so craving today. I'll leave this on medium to high heat until it starts to bubble up, and then we'll turn it down to a simmer and let it slow cook. Okay, so as you can see, we've come to a nice boil. I'm going to give it another stir. I'm going to lower the heat down to about medium, maybe medium-low, and we're just going to let this simmer. I'm going to say for 20 minutes, but we'll check it about every 10 and see how thick it is. We want it nice and rich. We want most of that water to be absorbed into the split peas.
So we'll know it when we see it. Now I've decided to throw the cover on for maybe the first 10 minutes of cooking, just to really let that steam and not to lose too much liquid. And then we'll see how it is after 10 minutes. And here we are 20 minutes in, starting to get absorbed really nicely, but I think that we're gonna need some more liquid. So you can add water or you can add more vegetable broth if you think you're gonna need it. So I'm gonna add another half a container of vegetable broth. And we're gonna continue to let that cook. Okay, so for those of you who don't believe we can do a vegan grilled cheese, that's also carb careful, here we go. We'll start with our Dave's thin sliced bread. This is relatively low in calories and carbs, full of flavor. 2 slices of our chow vegan cheese. Pop it on there. And I know you all know how to make a grilled cheese sandwich, but you know what? We're gonna put our melt vegan butter on both sides. And then we're gonna flip it in a pan and grill it up. And that's it. Our pan should be really hot. Pop our little sandwich in. It's sizzling a little bit. So we're gonna let it cook about 2 minutes on each side. Okay, let's flip it. It's pretty. Make that cheese nice and melty. Okay, we are done. It's all nice and melted and yummy. Look how gorgeous that is. And it'll be all ready to serve up with our soup. So just look at that. Oh, yeah, buddy. Let's check our soup. Oh, wow. It is nice and thickened. The peas are tender, the carrots are tender. Now it's up to you. Some people might want to use an immersion blender at this point to make it really smooth. I actually still like to know that they are split peas. So I like it a little more, having a little more texture, but that's up to you. And at this point you want to taste it, maybe add some salt and pepper if you're so inclined. And we're gonna serve it up and take a taste.
Well, somebody, and I'm not gonna mention any names, knocked my grilled cheese on the floor and stole half of it. So I'm gonna taste the soup. He's trying to steal the soup. Oh my gosh, this cat is too funny. This is so good. And I'm gonna try to make another grilled cheese later, but you're gonna love it. Well, that was our episode. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time on The Goofy Blonde Chef. Thank you so much for watching.